start of our third quarter. Again, we would like to welcome everyone. It's a match between Underdogs and Urban Soul Elites. It's our first game of the day.
Looking for the man, number 9. Sizing up. Give it a shot. Rebound by number 3. Pass it to number 11. 11. Layup. Wow, what a move. And 1, eh? Pass the foul number 30. 30. Foul number 30. Second personal foul. It's personal. Bonus shot. Count. Score 25-33. Let's go. Double team. Open man. 3. Right on. Long distance by Sastel. Pass it to number 11. 11. Whoa! Downtown PA. Rebound by number 16. Give it to Gray. Amari. Pass it to... Huh? Daynatan. Shot clock. 6 seconds. 3 points. No good. Offensive rebound. Jump shot. Whoa! Power move by number 9. What a move by number 9. We're recording on the best place of the day. The teammates are saying good defense. Number 16 calling for a play. 1-on-1. Driving. Foul. Number 7. Third personal foul by number 7. Shot clock 14 seconds. Three points. Brought to you by DJ's Pizza. Now we're all even. Time remaining 7 minutes 50 seconds. 90 seconds shot clock. Calling for the play. Trevor for 3. No good. Rebound by the Underdogs. Calling for the play. Asking for a pick. Driving. Give it to the side. Jump shot. No good. Got by number 7. Number 7. Oh, still by number 9. Number 9 again. Looking for his teammate. Who's ball rep? Urban Soul's ball. Going. Urban Soul ball. Tolentino dribbled the ball. Setting up his teammates. Giving to his brother. Drive. Posing up. Power move. Foul. Number 9. First personal foul. Clarence. Tolentino 2 shots. Puno. He's warming up. Another shot. Counted. Score 34-33. Rebound by number 9. Posting up to Tolentino. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. A full court defense by white team. The brother. Give it to his brother. 10 seconds to shoot. 7, 5, 3, 2. Whoa, what a move! Smooth. Criminal. Layup. Wow. Nice left hand layup. Fast break. Foul. Number 0. 360, yeah?
Second personal.
0. Second personal foul by number 0. 2 shots for Tolentino. Ready for rebound. Nice shot. 37-35. Lead by the Urban Souls Elites. Whoa, look at that move. Woo, sweet. Potato. Euro step move. Number 7. Give it to number 11. Number 0 giving a defense, but he's fouled. 0-0. 2 shots, rep? 2 shots. Brian, 2 shots. Another shot for Mr. Brian Tolentino. Ready for rebound, guys. Box out. Nice shot! Next team, warm up. This is third quarter. Score 37-38. Lead by the Urban Elites. 3 points, no good. Rebound by Brandon. Brandon crossing the ball. Drive. Wow, look at that. Nice move by Brandon. 0-0. Jump shot, fade away, no good. Rebound by Trevor. Looking for the open man, he saw Brandon. 0-0 giving a defense. 7. Whoa, nice layup. Three points. No good. That shot is brought to you by Boston Pizza. Rebound by number 9. Pass break. Wait for his teammates.
Fouls on block, 0-1.
Foul, 0-1. 0-1.
First personnel, second team, foul for the Elite.
3 points by number 9. Brandon. Bumawi. And this league is brought to you by Papa. 3 points.
Maverick.
6 people na. Case Pibor, 43-40. Lamang ang lamang. Crossover move. Give it to Trevor. Nice. Connected by Aljon Lugo.
That assist. Siguro that assist. Walang bayad yun, walang bayad. Hindi nagbayad eh.
Number 9.
7 seconds. 5,
Number 7. 2, 1. No good. Rebound by Trevor. All the way. Oh, he saw Brandon there. Look at that. Mr. Trevor, nice pass, eh? Three points by Marquez. Calling for a play. It's on number 9. Posting up. Nice defense by Brandon. Number 9 again. Oh, look at that guy. He's fire, eh? He's on fire. This guy is on fire. Wow, look at the passing of the Urban Elites. Sub. Substitution. Oh, the 3 Musketeers, 3 Tolentinos are on the court, on the floor, on. 0-1 calling a play. Asking for a screen, layup, blocked by the guy. Whoa, cross pass. Number 9. Rebound by Aaron. Tolentino. Foul. Foul number 9.
Second personal. Second.
White team, underdogs, they're on penalty.
Time to play in our third quarter, 52.1 seconds.
Baxter foul.
15 seconds.
40 seconds, time remaining. 10 seconds shot clock. He's on number 9, taking 3. Nice shot by number 9. 28 seconds. Score 50-48. Tolentino, layup. Even 50-50.
10 seconds.
10 seconds, time remaining. 8, 7, 6,
5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1. And brought to you by Boston Pizza, Aljon Lugo, and DJ's Pizza. Papa Tournament. And the score is 52-50. Gentlemen, Three Stooges.
I call it the shot. I call it the shot. It's Mr. Peanut. B-boy, what team are you?
Perhap.
Wait. Listen. Shot. Okay, good. Back to the ball game.
Passing for a screen. Give it to 0-0. Agent 0-0. No shot. 8 seconds shot clock. 6 seconds shot clock. 4, 3, 2. Whoa! I shot by number 9.
Rocco.
Whoa, brother to brother pass. 11.
Foul number. Rocco. Second personal. First team.
First team foul, second personal foul by number 9. Yes, 51-54.
Basket lang. 2 out of 2.
2 out of 2. Number 9. Wow! All the way! Rebound by 0-0. Nice shot. Uy! Fourth quarter. Screen. 10 seconds shot clock. Layup. No good. Rebound by 0-0.
Venga, play. Fourth personal.
Fourth personal foul, second team foul.
Hindi na change score. Change space pa. Gusto mo ng ano?
Oy! 7 minutes, 57 seconds. Number 9. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. Pass to Brian Tolentino.
Official score 59-54.
10 seconds shot clock. 7, 6, 5 seconds. 4. 0-0. He's in a hurry. But no, he waits for his teammates. Good point. 3 points. Whoa! That 3 points brought to you by Papa Tournament.
Tama na, bilang mo na sa mali.
Hoy! Nice pass! Let's go. Score 62-56.
Yung ba yung tinatawag ko ng backdoor play? Pirates play. Pirates play.
Teardrop, no good. Got by Brandon. Give it to his brother Brian. Brian. Sizing up his opponent. Spin. Drop to Trevor. Whoa, what assist, man. Score 62-58. Time 6 minutes and 13 seconds. White team setting up their play.
Serves out.
7
They're
seconds.
going down low. Number 9. Nice defense by Brandon.
5 minutes, 55 seconds to play.
Ano siya? Buntis. Hindi siya buntis.
Give it to Brandon. 10 seconds, shot clock. He saw Trevor. Trevor! What a move!
Naka-score yung black.
Shot clock. 5 minutes, 23 seconds. No good.
Sa dead ball. Sa dead
Brandon.
Dead ball, time out ha.
16. Oy! Step back 3. Offensive foul. Did he gotta get it? Kick. Black ball. Sub.
Sub. Ah, sorry, white ball.
Timeout. Black team. Urban Soul.
Hawak pang hawak pang
Score 62-60. Stephen, and your copy is brought to you by yourself. Your wife? Yes, that's sweet. All right. Brian. Three points.
open shoot.
Ay! Hoy! Agawan ng bola.
Mahal tayo dyan. Hands down, 1996. Tan Chambers. Tan Chambers. Otlinio, center.
Okay, Brandon.
10 seconds.
Harassing by number 0. Whoa! White ball. Turnover by the Urban Elites. Agent 00. Guarding by number 7. Hoy! Foul number 7.
Fourth personal, warning for graduation.
Fourth personal foul. Warning to get your degree. Your graduation. Degree. Meron. Nagpapaluto na tayo, sir. Ganun pa rin yung presyo. $10. Number 9. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 16. 16. Dribbling the ball. Looking for his teammate. He's on number 7. Drive. Layup. No good. Offensive rebound. Give it to number 3. Swinging the ball. Foul number 11. No good. Whoa. Look at this. The Urban Elites, they're having all the rebound, eh? 11. 6 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2. Whoop. Push. Ball rep. Black ball.
Blackball.
3 points. Are they gonna get them?
I got it. You got it? You got it, Abby.
I got it. I got them. 2 minutes, 26 seconds.
Marami ka pa rin.
Yan talaga para sa ating community, pare. Hoy! Tony Parker shot. No good. Number 11. Oh, number 0.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes brought to you by Boston Pizza, Aldo Lugo, and TJ's Pizza.
10 seconds.
Shot clock. 7, 6, 5. No good. Rebound by number 9.
Vicente.
1 minute 36 seconds. Aaron, give it to number 9.
10 seconds.
Shot clock remaining. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait. Saved by the ring. Brian Tolentino. Trevor. Brandon.
10 seconds.
Nice. 5. Boy, look at that. Unselfish play by Mr. Brand. And they converted the 3. The score. 3 points, 63-62. 63-62. It's okay here, bro. Don't worry.
There's
We got
some
you.
technical problem. There's delay on the clock. There's delay on the clock.
$45 seconds.
7 to shoot.
Aaron. No good.
34 seconds to play.
34 seconds.
Backward.
11 seconds. Sorry, 11 seconds. Shot clock. Foul.
Foul number, single zero.
Second personal, third foul.
Shot clock, 14 seconds. 40 seconds shot clock. 21 seconds on our time remaining on this quarter. And this is the final quarter. 62-63. 30 seconds shot clock. Rebound by Trevor. 5 seconds. Foul.
First personal, warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty.
It's a warning for penalty. 4 seconds. Time remaining. Okay? Time out. Okay, time out. Brought to you by Stephen and his coffee from his wife.
Wala nang salitang kailangan pa. Sayaw mo pa lang, sagot na sa lahat.
May time out kami. Okay. Sige, pag nakashoot tayo. Watch the hand, bro. For the time. White 16. Penalty.
Second personal, 15 foul.
Ay, pero daw.
4 seconds. Yeah, a little quick. It's about a half a second.
Sa oras, Good job. Hindi nga pwede. Pag na-shoot.
Oh, last shot, rebound guys. Box out. Four, two, one. Hey! What a game!
Oh, handshake. Siyempre, sports. Nice.
Good job.